Hi students, in some part of the United States, a three-line profile view is a common requirement. In this situation, the center line is displayed in a center profile view with left and right offset shown in profile view above and below the center line profile view. These are then typically used to show top of curved design profiles in addition to the center line design. In this exercise, we will look at how to create profile view wizard makes generating these text view a simple process. If I say in a simple word, we will create left and right offset with center line profile using stack profile view in Civil 3D. Just open 709 stack profile view in your Civil 3D. This drawing has sample profile for RM2222 alignment at center as well as left and right offset. I will drop this drawing in the description link which you can download. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box TWG and I will get you this drawing. From the home tab, profile and section views, here choose profile view, create profile view to display the create profile view wizard. Just verify that the select alignment drop down list shows RM2222 and then profile view name is set to RM2222 stacked full grid, and full grid is selected in the profile view profile view style drop down menu from here. Now check the show offset profile by vertically stacking profile view option on the general wizard, and you can notice here that when you check this box, an additional link name stack profile is added to the left side border of the wizard. So click to the next. On the create profile view station range, verify that station range is set to automatic here and then press next. On the create profile view height wizard page, verify that profile view height is set to automatic and then press next. On the create profile view stack profile wizard page, set the gap between views to 4 meter. Okay, here. Then set the view style to the top stack view, middle stack view and then bottom stack view. Then click next. On the create profile view profile display options, select top view first here, and in the select stack view to specify option for the list below, you will select top view and it will show you the options. Toggle the draw option for the left offset profile RM2222 EG minus 10. This one, just check this here. If you need to widen the column, you can do by double click the line between the column heading like this. You can also drag it down. Remember that the negative offset denotes a left profile, whereas the positive offset denotes a right profile. You can also check the offset column to verify the offset. Then select middle view 1. In the select stack view to specify option for the list like this, toggle the draw option for sample center line profile RM22EG and then also FG. So in this view we will draw 2 profile view. So then Again, select bottom view. In the select stack view, to specify option for the list box, and then select for the right side, e.g. 10. Then press next. On the data bands wizard, verify that the band set is set to e.g. FG elevation and station. Then click to the create profile view button and pick a point near the screen to draw the stack. Anywhere you can draw something like this. So you can move them like this if they are overlapping. Just select like this and put them here. So this is how we can create 3 different views using the stack profile views in just one creation. Like the gap profile view that you generate in the previous exercise, the profile views are independent of one another, so they can be modified to have their own styles, properties and labeling associated with them. The stacking here simply automates a process that many users previously found tedious. At this point, you do not have finished grade information at the offset, but you can add it to these views later by editing the profile view properties for those profile views. When you create a profile, that profile will appear in any profile that reference the same alignment. In the profile view properties dialog, you can always turn the draw option off for any profile that should not appear in a given profile view. So hope you like this video. Stay connected for these type of information videos of Civil 3D.